We're in Croke Park today for our Cal Day event to introduce some of our customers to some of our new innovative products, to engage with some new businesses in relation to their processes and to help them to find better ways to manage their calibration requirements.
So I think it's a fantastic idea that Beamex came up with and have invited all of the major players, including the service companies as well as the end users, with the big pharma and biopharma and oil and gas companies coming in and heavy industry as well. So we're delighted to be here today.
I think to share our message that these kind of systems can sometimes seem like they're just engineering systems or calibration systems, but ultimately it enables us to produce product that changes lives. And having those systems be compliant and as efficient and as robust as they are makes that possible.
So the idea of being able to get back into an environment where we can do kind of hands-on to the instruments that you have behind you here, that's hugely important.
All of the products that Beamex provide completely integrate and provide one sort of overall calibration solution. And I think that's good going forward. And again, probably the paperless documentation and automated calibration approach.
The reason for Cal Day is to create some awareness for some of our customer base in relation to not just the new products, the new hardware and software solutions, but also new working methods, changing trends that we're seeing within industry, and how that may impact their business.
The key takeaway from today I would have is the constant innovation, constant updates, constant support.